Hi everyone! Do you want to have access to your emails without having to have internet and making sure that your important information is not going to be lost? In this video, I'm going to show you how to download all your emails from Gmail, and it is very simple. So first, I'm opening my Gmail, and now we're going to open a new window and we're going to search for takeout.google.com. Here we're going to make sure that we have the Gmail account we want to use, and we're going to click Select All. And now we're going to scroll down until we find Mail. We're going to click on it, and doing this is going to help you to have better control of your emails. It's also going to help you to save space and have better security. After we find Mail and we click on it, we're going to click on All Mail Data, and here we're going to check the ones that we are going to download. We're going to click on OK, and we're going to keep scrolling down until we find Next Step. We're going to click on it, and we're going to have this new information. Here, you're going to select how you want this information to be downloaded. We're going to click on Send Download Link by Email. You can also select the file type and the file size. When we have this ready, we're going to click on Create Export. And now it's going to let us know that Google is creating a copy of data from Mail. This process can take a long time. It can take hours, maybe days, or maybe it's going to be a few minutes. You just have to wait. So this is the email that we're going to get when the download is ready, your account, your data, and here we're going to click on Download Your Files. This is going to take us to a new page, and here we're going to have the download that we did. We're going to click on Download, and it will show that it's ready. And this is the new file that you're going to have in your computer. You're going to double click on it, and there you're going to find all your email information. I hope you have learned and liked this video. See you in the next one. Bye!